China's railway system has developed to an astonishing level, surprising many foreigners. A single track spans 825 kilometers, connecting vast distances and reaching China's largest desert. This astonishing scene left Western countries in shock. Activate the red star and keep watching. The Super Ring is the world's first circular railway encircling a desert made up of the Hawei, Gekou, Kaha, and Southern Xinjiang railways. The emergence of train access ended the awkward history of 5 southern border counties. Among them, there are 825 kilometers of railway tracks. A unique global black technology has produced a remarkable 1,000-mile-long track. The location is called the Sea of Death, and it's extremely dangerous. Who would believe that our infrastructure powerhouse has successfully navigated hundreds of kilometers of harsh terrain? They reclaimed over 100,000 acres of desert land despite high temperatures and water scarcity in the Gobi Desert. Light has already appeared.